Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution for Cambridge International AS and A level and O level. Today, we shall discuss the solution for the Mathematics 9709, Paper 1, Period 2, Pure Mathematics 1, Session 2 bar November 2024. The question number 1 is, the diagram shows the curve with the equation y equal to a sin bx plus c for 0 less than equal to x less equal to 2 pi, where a, b, and c are positive constant. Part A state the value of a, b, and c. The part B is, for this value of a, b, and c, determine the number of solutions in the interval 0 less than x less than equal to 2 pi for each of the following equation. First one is a sin bx plus c equal to 7 minus x, and second one is a sin bx plus c equal to 2 pi x minus 1. Let's discuss the solution of part 1. Solution of part 1. State the value of a, b, and c. First of all, we shall discuss the different part of this equation, y equal to a sin bx plus c. The A indicates the amplitude of the curve, which is the maximum or the minimum range of the curve from the mean position. The question is, what is the mean position and what is the maximum or minimum range of the curve? Let's explain it. This is the graph of the equation, graph of the question. You can see that our graph starts from at y equal to 1. So, at y equal to 3 is the mean position of our graph, and we check that on the screen. Our graph, the maximum value has at y equal to 7. So the maximum value of our graph is 7 in this case. As I have explained, the mean position is at 3 and the maximum value from the graph is 7. As I have explained, the A is the amplitude of the curve. We calculate the amplitude of the curve by subtracting the mean value from the maximum value. So 7 minus 3 equal to 4. In the given question, y equal to a sin bx plus c, b indicates the periodicity of the curve. As there are 2 cycles in the normal period of the sine, so b equal to 2. Now I explain what is the cycle. As you can see in the graph of our question, our graph starts from at x equal to 0 and it's one cycle completed at x equal to pi. Because at x equal to pi, our graphs again start from the initial position as it starts from the x equal to 0. So from 0 to pi is the one cycle, and from pi to 2 pi is the second cycle of our graph of the question. So the question has 2 cycles. So the graph has 2 cycles. So the b is equal to 2. C indicates the vertical shift in the graph from the horizontal axis. So C equal to 3. So let's say that our horizontal axis starts from 0. We check that our graph starts from y equal to 3. So the horizontal shift is 3. The value of C is equal to 3. You can see that from the horizontal axis, our graph starts from y equal to 3. So the horizontal shift is 3. This is the horizontal shift. So horizontal shift is equal to 3, this one. Now, for part B, for the value of A, B, and C, determine the number of solutions in the interval 0 less than x, x less than equal to 2 pi for each of the following equations. A sin bx plus c equal to 7 minus x. By putting the value of a, b, and c, we get 4 sine 2x equal to 4 minus x. We know that the general equation of the sine x has 2 cycles. So when we draw the graph of 4 minus x for arbitrary value of x, our linear line of 4 minus x cut the graph of the sine x at 5 positions. So it will have 5 solutions. As the linear line cutting the graph of the sine at 5 positions, so it will have 5 solutions. The next one is the part second is a sine bx plus c by putting the value of a, b, and c. After simplification, we shall draw the graph of 2 pi into x minus 1 for the arbitrary value of x, and we check that our linear line cut the graph of the sine x at x equal to pi by 2. So there is only one solution at x equal to pi by 2. Question number 2. The first term of the arithmetic progression is minus 20 and the common difference is 5. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the progression. Part B is, it is given that the sum of the first 2k terms is 10 times the sum of the first k terms. Find the value of the k. For the part B, for the question number 3, the equation of a curve is y equal to x square minus 3. 2 points A and B with coordinates 2 and 2 plus h respectively lie on the curve. Part A, find and simplify the expression for the gradient of the chord AB in terms of h. Part B is, explain how the gradient of the curve at the point A can be deduced from the answer to part A and state the value of the gradient. For question number 4, find the terms independent of x in the expansion of each of the following. Part A, x plus 3 over x square whole raised to the power 6, and part B is 4x cube minus 5 into x plus 3 by x square whole raised to the power 6. The question number 5 is, the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 1 over 2x minus 1 for x less than equal to 1 by 2. State the value of f of minus 1. The part second graph is this one. Part second graph. The diagram shows the graph of y equal to f of x. Sketch the graph of y equal to f inverse x on the diagram. Show any relevant mirror line. Part third is, find an expression for f inverse x and state the domain of the function f inverse. The function g is defined by g of x equal to 3x plus 2 for x belong to R. Part B, solve the equation f of x equal to g f of 1 by 4. The question number 6 is, as the diagram is given, the diagram shows a metal plate OABCD consisting of the sector of the two circles, each with center O. The radii of the sector AOB and EOB are r centimeter, and radius of the sector COB is 2r centimeter. Angle AOB equal to angle AOB equal to angle EOF equal to 0 theta radians, and angle COD equal to 2 theta radians. It is given that the perimeter of the plate is 14 centimeter and the area of the plate is 10 centimeter square. Given that r greater than 3 by 2 and theta less than 3 by 4, find the value of r and theta. Now, for the question number 7, by expressing minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11 in the form of minus into x minus b whole square plus c, where a, b, and c are positive integer, find the coordinates of the vertex of the graph with equation y equal to minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11. Part B. In part B, the equation of the curve and the line is given. The diagram shows the part of the curve with equation y equal to minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11 and the line with equation y equal to 8x plus 9. Find the area of the shaded region. The diagram shows that part of the curve with the equation y equal to minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11 and the line with the equation y equal to 8x plus 9. Find the area of the shaded region. For question number 8, the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus px plus 2y plus q equal to 0, where p and q are the constant. Part A express the equation in form of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square, where a is to be given in terms of p and r is given in terms of p and q. The line with the equation x plus 2y equal to 10 is tangent to the circle at point 43. Part B, find the part B, first find the equation of the normal to the circle at point A. Second one is find the value of P and Q. For question number 9, the equation of the curve is y equal to 1 by 2 k square plus x square minus 2 kx plus 2, and the equation of the line is y equal to kx plus p, where k and p are the constant with 0 less than x less than 1. Part A, it is given that one of the point of intersection of the curve and the line has coordinates 5 by 2, 1 by 2. Find the value of k and p and find the coordinates of the other point of intersection. Part B, it is instead that the line and the curve do not intersect. Find the set of possible value of P. The last question is question number 5. A function f with domain x greater than 0 is such that f dash f equal to 8 into 2x minus 3 whole raised by 1 by 3 minus 10x is equal to 2 by 3. It is given that the curve with the equation y equal to f of x passes through the point 1, 0. Part A, find the equation of the normal to the curve at point 1, 0. Part B, find f of x. It is given that the equation f dash x equal to 0 can be expressed in the form 125x minus 128x plus 192 equal to 0. Part C, making your reasoning clear whether it is an increasing function or decreasing function or neither. So this is the C part of question number 10. How to access the solution of the remaining question? As the solution of the question number 1 is given in this video, in order to find out the solution for the remaining all question from 2 to 10, the steps are as follows. Step 1, please visit the website kingcamresolution.com. After that, go to the courses section. In the courses section, go to the courses section. In the courses section, when you click, then go to the category section. In the category section, please first select the categories in which you want to find out your courses. In my case, the category is mathematics part 1. After that, after selecting this, you will see the different courses of mathematics paper 1. When you click on this paper, on this course, you will find the interface like this one. When you click this button, add to the cart, you will find the interface to sign up for the website, because you have to sign up for the website on the website so that you can download the PDF file and the video file for the each question of the courses. So when you click on the add to cart, you will get the interface for the sign up. After sign up, make sure that for the sign up, when you sign up for this, fill out all the field of the form and select the stripe and click the submit button. When you click the submit button, you will get the interface submit button. You will get the interface of your order. The course is successfully purchased. You will get the notification from the website. After that, make sure that after paying on the Stripe, make sure that you are logged in to to the website. You are logged into the website. Again, go to your course for which you have paid and click the course content of this course, of that course. When you click on the course content of that course, you will find the PDF icon and the video icon. These are the icon for each question from question number 2 to question number 10. When you click on the PDF icon, the PDF file will be downloaded to your computer. When you click on the video icon, the video file for that question will be downloaded to your local. Best of luck. See you in the next series of the question.